Hi, welcome back to Tiny RV Cooking. I'd like to invite you to like, subscribe, share, and ring that bell for new notifications on videos. I'll be putting out new videos every Monday and Wednesday. So today I'll be making garlic infused olive oil in my Instant Pot. Stay tuned to see how I make it. I found this recipe from Legally Blonde. I'll leave the link down below where you can find it. The ingredients we're going to need are, we're going to need olive oil. I'm only doing a cup because I don't go through it too fast. And garlic. I have 30 pieces of garlic because they're not too big. And you do not want to crush them. You want to try to keep them whole as possible. And your Instant Pot. I'm using my 3-quart. We're going to add our oil. And our garlic. And just put on, you're just going to put on like a lid. You're not going to use your lid that comes with the Instant Pot. You want to use like a regular pot lid. I have these silicone lids. I think they're perfect. You can use them for so many things. And they're lightweight, so they're great for travel. We're going to use our slow cook. We're going to put on low, and we're going to only cook it for 1 hour. 1 hour. When you can pierce your garlic, you know your oil is done. I'll see you back in 1 hour. Hi, it's been an hour, and now it's time to check to see if our garlic is done. We're going to take a knife and poke it. If you can go straight through easily, it's done. You can go through easily with this. So we're going to take out our garlic. You can reuse this garlic for putting on breads and stuff like that. You don't have to throw it away, but you only have a couple days to use it up. The oil is good for, some people can use it up for 2 weeks. I used oil for 2 weeks and I haven't had a problem. But that's the reason why I only do a cup, because that's how much I go through in 2 weeks. I use the oils on the edges of pizza. Sometimes when it calls for oil and garlic, I just use my infused oil. There's a lot of possibilities you can use this oil for. It's great to have. I even put it on my salad too. When we pour this oil out, we're going to want to strain it too, so we get all the little impurities out. Okay, I'm going to strain it into my measuring cup, so make it easier to pour into the container I'm going to keep it. Now for the fun part. Let's try our oil out and see how it tastes. I have homemade English muffin bread. I'm going to put my oil on. I also have sun-dried tomatoes that I put chipotle paste in. It gives it a little kick. I'll be putting on one of my breads. And a little bit of basil. And now we get to try our garlic infused oil. It is so easy to make. You can do so many things with a garlic infused olive oil. The possibilities are endless. Let's give it a try. It's perfect. Not too garlicky, not too oily, just a right amount of infusion. Let's try the one that has the garlic olive oil, the sun-dried tomatoes, and the chili paste on it. So good, so easy to make. This would be great for a little snack or whatever, especially when you're in a hurry. This is great to have, like a little miniature pizza. Thank you for coming and watching Tiny RV Cooking. Please like, subscribe, and share, and ring that bell for a new notification of videos. I'll be putting out new videos every week. And please leave a comments down below. What would you like to see me make in my tiny kitchen? It's only a 22-foot RV, but I love her. See you next time on Tiny RV. Bye-bye.